Hello, everybody. Welcome back to another Coconut VA Talks episode. Finally, kami ay nagbabalik. And for today, nakikita nyo kakaibang setup. Bakit, no? Kasi, no, ito ay kakaibang episode as well. Dahil for today, hindi ko sila intervene kasi nagkaroon na silang moment this time. Ako naman. Kaya naman, dila ko ang ating mga internal team members na talaga namang pangmalakasan ng energy, no? One is from the Comp and Ben, and one is from the HR, both managers, and they are none other than Shira and Fem. Hello!
Hello,
Hi!
everyone! So, kami yung mag-i-interview for today's video,
Oo.
pero kami yung parang kinakabahan. But Jam, are you ready?
I am very ready ni Hello, no? At disclaimer lang guys, may mga tanong dito at yung surprise round na hindi ko alam na talagang sila ang gumawa. Kaya talaga kabahan ka na dyan. Uy!
Yes, abang-abang sila later kasi si Fem will be taking charge of the surprise questions. And I saw her reaction earlier. So talagang magugulat kami. Are you ready?
I am very ready, I believe. Uy!
All right. So for everybody's information, yung iba sa inyo kilala na si Jam because Jam is all over social media, right? But Jam here at Coconut VA, he is our amazing sourcing and community manager. So for FYI lang din to everyone, our social media grew significantly ever since Jam joined. So like
Parang hindi
sa
naman yun. Ano ba?
yes,
Nakakaya.
oo naman, dumoble, trumiple. So sa TikTok natin, for example, we had 12,000 right before Jam. And then after Jam, at the moment, we have almost 24K na. So gusto niyo ba yon?
Gusto ko yun,
I
T.
like
Like it?
We
You
like
like it?
it! You like
Alright.
it?
All right, you like it? Okay, perfect. So let's get on to the first part, introduction muna tayo. Okay, Jam, are you ready?
I am super
Okay, all
ready.
right. So Jam, give us a brief introduction about yourself. So your nickname, what do we call you? Gaano ka nakatagal sa Coconut VA, and what do you do for us?
Ako.
Ma.
I'm Jam. Hi everyone, I'm Jam. I'm the sourcing and community manager of Coconut VA. Comment below. Comment below! Joke lang.
Comment one below.
I've been with Coconut VA for 8 months. 8 months na, no?
8
8 months.
months.
I was here
Correct.
August last year, right? Tama, 8
Mhm.
months. And grabe. I feel like second month ko pa lang, ganun ka-fresh, ganon, di ba?
Parang walang mga pinagdaanan ni.
Wala tayong pinagdaanan dito, masaya tayo dito sa Coconut VA,
Okay.
no? At saka,
Mami.
what do I do here? So, I have Coconut VA source qualified virtual assistants to be matched with our clients, okay, through social media marketing and of course, community building. We are part of the engagement team also. So, pag may mga events, kami yung mga, ang mga host nyo, MC, yung Game Master and Roulette Master is here also, di ba? So, as you all know, kami-kami din ang kakaharapin niya sa mga events at sa meetup. So, pretty much, we make sure that, the community is pumped up, and super happy. Um, of course, internally, and at the same time, we source the right VAs to be matched with our clients. So, yun ang aking trabaho dito sa Coconut VA.
Yes. And bakit naman Coconut VA? Why did you choose Coconut VA, Jam?
Bakit nga ba ako ang funny ng story ko, matawa ka, kasi funny, tawa ka, dali.
Advance yung tawa.
Wala pa nga.
Wala pa nga.
Muna kasi.
Hindi, kasi you know what, I remember sometime like 2 years ago, I saw Eric on TikTok. I was super active on TikTok. And Eric was like living the Filipino VA life. And
Yeah.
I witnessed his growth on TikTok. Sabi ko, OMG, may bagong agency, Coconut VA. So sabi ko, ano kaya ito? So, back then, nasa agency pa ako noon. And then, I joined this community, NAS community, yung kay Nasire of NAS Daily. And
Mhm.
that's where I met Eric, because one time nagpakilala ko kasi may creator community doon, tapos nagpakilala ko, and then Eric messaged me and that he handles nga daw, he's the founder of Coconut Basic. I was like, I know you, Eric. Oh my gosh, I've seen you on TikTok and all over yada yada. And then we hopped on a call, okay, and then eventually ako as a founder of Barangay VA, no, we had an event before na Barangay VA Summit, and Eric supported my event. Doon ko nakilala si Donna at si Charity, no.
Mm.
There, from there, so nag-webinar si Donna at saka si Chardy nun sa Barangay VA, online job fair. At ako yung host nun, imbis na yung mga aplikante, ay, yung mga audience ko, yung
Na-hire.
aplikante, nag-a-apply na ako habang nagwe-webinar siya, te. Te, parang gusto ko dito sa Coconut VA. Maya-maya, tumawag si Eric, I have a project for you, sometime July last year. And then after that, kinuha na ako ni Eric as sourcing and community manager of Coconut VA internal team. So yan ganon, and poof, it became Coco Crunch. Coco Crunch. Ganon.
So ayun, that's the story of Jam. And marami din sa atin ang nakilala ang Coconut VA because of Eric's TikTok, And it's like a dream kasi lahat tayo dati few years ago, we were just watching Eric on TikTok, living his life as a VA in the Philippines. And then few weeks ago, nakasama natin si Eric sa ating Boracay Getaway, where we
Yes.
had like a 5-day event with the VAs all over the Philippines, and Jam was one of our amazing, amazing hosts for that event. Tayong tatlo bilang ba engagement.
Oo.
Alrighty. So Jam, what is the secret to pass Coconut VA? Can you share a secret, a tip
Ang
to
totoo
our
lang dyan, te, magbasa ka. Uy, si Fem, oh! Apektado si Fem. Naalala ko, nagsisimula pala ko, Fem, bakit ganito? Di ba, Fem? Sabi ko, Fem, bakit ganito? Ang dami nagme-message, nandun na lahat. Binigay mo na lahat, pero bakit hindi nila ginawa? Ba't nagahaw? Uy, at interested. May ganon. Oo.
Correct.
Totoo lang, magbasa ka, te. Kasi yung mga
Agree.
tinatanong mo sa comment section, no?
Nasa po.
Nandoon sa description. Pangalawa, no, is galingan mo ang intro video mo. Mm-mm. Kasi kung pasok ang resume, pero yung intro video is not giving, wali. Hindi ka papansin talaga ng mga kliyente at ng mga HR. Di ba? May ng recruitment.
Yes.
Do you believe? So,
Correct.
yun dalawa.
Babay
Magbasa
agad.
ka.
Dalawa.
Oo, babay
Okay,
agad. Magbasa ka at ikaw ay magpabonggahan mo yung intro video.
Intro video. Okay, so read and follow the instructions carefully, and then galingan yung intro video. Huwag yung nagbabasa naman, tapos huwag yung parobot, no? Gusto mo yung may pa-advertisement sa intro video, Mima. You like that?
At saka, te, may nag-intro video, te, na akala mo MMK, talambuhay ngayon sinabi sa first 30 seconds, hindi yung experience sa trabaho. Sino ka dyan, me, di ba?
Correct. Baka naman gusto
Gusto natin i-share yung buhay niya. Bakit ba?
Oo, MMK episode.
Mali
Episode
pala yung
35.
sinabitan.
baka sakaling maantig ang inyong damdamin at i-hire niya siya dahil sa kanyang talambuhay.
Kamukha pa namin si Ate Charo. Sorry!
Ginawa open forum. Alright. So, now let's go to part 2. Ready na ba kayo?
Super ready, me. Ay, nako.
Super ready.
Ilagay mo lang yan dyan, T. Laban.
Okay. Alright. So, Jam, now that you've been with Coconut VA, you've been with us for 8 beautiful, not stressful months, diba? Kasi kahit 8 months, hindi haggard fresh na fresh What's
Yeah.
your biggest milestone as a Coconut VA? As an internal team member? Or part of the internal team member?
What was my biggest milestone? I think more than and Eric, I quote, no, Eric commented this na parang sabi niya na there's no Coconut VA sa VA side without you. Kasi I feel like nagkaroon ng presence si Coconut VA pagdating sa social media. I mean, may presence siya, pero parang nag-level up yung presence when I came in through, of course, yung mga strategies natin. Yung strategies naman, hindi naman nagaling sa akin yan. It was a collaborative thing, no? With Donna, with everyone, and the teamwork kasi na we have inside. Tapos kung akala nyo, mga 100 plus kaming internal team members dito, no, we are like less than
11.
Yeah, we're
11
just
na tayo.
11.
Yeah.
And when we work, we collaborate, we help each other. So pagdating sa strategies talaga, it's a collaborative effort. And because of that, we were able to reach like in 1 month, parang more than 1,000 um qualified applicants. So there was one time na ganun last year. And naging consistent naman siya. So I'm happy dito ko na-discover yung pinaka strength ko as a
Strength.
freelancer because before
Mm.
I came in here I had this thing called business identity crisis because I initially became a social media manager first. And
Mm.
nawawala ako sa game ko. Parang ano ba ako? Video editor ba ako? Community manager ba ako? Nag-try ko mag-community manager pero bakla wali. Ang hirap pagdating sa US clients. Iba kasi hindi ko kilala yung audience, no? So, nung sabi ni Eric, do you do HR? So ko, I don't know, but I have a background. Like,
Okay.
I'm from training before and I used to interview people or recruit people before as servers in a restaurant. So, I can be HR. Ganun ko na talaga siya, ti. Ganun ko
Uh-huh.
siya. Because when I tried doing it here as a sourcing and community manager, parang, poof, ito para strength ko. It makes sense because I have a community as well. And I also have a social media presence and I have the target market of Coconut VA as well. So, yun, na-prove ko sa sarili ko na, ay, ito yung strength ko. And without
Mm.
Coconut VA, hindi ko to ma-achieve.
Yeah. And that's the best thing here at Coconut VE, no? Kasi our executives, Tyler, Eric, Miss Donna, they know about your strengths and then they bank on it and then they help you discover your strengths.
Yeah.
And because of that, we just help each other and collaborate each other. And kung ano man yung weaknesses ng isa't isa, pinupunan natin. So we support each other, right? Setting each other up for success.
Success. Yun ang sabi ni Eric na genius zone. He calls
Yeah,
it
the
genius
genius
zone.
zone.
That we don't need to fight with each other. No, we collaborate to make things work. Yung sinabi niya.
Correct. And that's what we do here at Coconut VA. All right, Nima. So that is your biggest milestone. You discovered
Yes.
your strength, and then you helped develop your strength. Paano naman nakatulong si Coconut VA sa buhay mo in general?
Alam mo kung
Family.
ano masasabi ko dito, Mima? It's it's the mental health part.
Oh,
Ito at saka yung security part na we all know that freelancing or virtual assistants can be very unstable because clients come and go. But the moment I came in, I feel like I'm in a different world. Like, actually, na-culture shock ako, Mi. Kasi sa onboarding pa lang, te, si Fem, parang, bakit chill lang si bakla?
mm,
Parang nagbabaklaan lang kami, o, ti, ganito yan, ha, ti. Ganito pala benefits. Yes, Mi, ganito tayo. So, parang, ang chill lang ba? It looks intimidating outside, but inside it's like, whoa, it's laid back, very respectful. We have the win-win-win culture inside. Pag may sinabi kang people first talaga, ito yung definition of people first. And when I said stability in the unstable freelance world, it became possible here because of the above average pay, because of the benefits, saka makakita ng 30th month pay na VA agency. Paid time off, US holidays, lahat yon. Coconut VA lang yun, me. So when I was here, I was like, girl, but parang wala masyadong pressure? Dagdagan mo pa. Parang masyadong masaya. Ganon.
pag sanay ka sa corporate, no, tapos biglang pumasok ka ng Coconut VA, parang mapapaisip, ikaw yung maghahanap ng stress,
Oo.
ikaw yung maghahanap ng pressure, di ba?
Na-culture shock ako kasi galing ako sa corporate, galing din ako sa iba't ibang klaseng, different Pokemons na ugali ng mga clients. So, dito, na-shock ako. Sabi ko, uy, iba dito, Mi. Bigyan mo ako stress more. Ganon. Sobrang saya. And people here are very empowering, appreciative. Yung mga random DMs na, hey, I love how you work. Ganyan. Parang, okay ka lang, Mi. Gising kami. Ganon. Ganon level. So, yung mga hindi ko na-encounter before, yun ang na-encounter ko dito. And because of that, I have work-life balance. I'm happy. It doesn't feel like work. And I think really proven naman talaga when we met together last week, April 4 to 8 sa sa getaway natin. Parang may instant bonding. Hindi siya feeling na parang, oh my gosh, first time natin magkita-kita, parang
Correct.
ilangan mo with, girl, wala eh, barda-barda agad me. 'Di ba? So, I think that's how strong the community is. Thanks to you guys who started it, you know. Kayo yung nagtayo ng culture ng Coconut VA, no? And because of that, it's being passed on from batches to batches of VAs. And talagang in Coconut VA, it really feels like home. Promise, itry nyo. Pasok na, apply. Come, apply
Apply
na.
na. Apply na now. So with all that said, Jam, being a member of a toxic-free community, nag-improve talaga yung mental health. Parang lahat naman ata tayo, ganun yung na-experience, diba? Nag-culture shock din talaga tayo kasi very chill lang here. Everybody is so friendly. Walang competition between the internal team members. Chill lang talaga. And then we support each other. And may mag-random chat sa'yo, okay ka lang ba dyan? Si Fem mag-chat.
Correct.
Ate Shri, okay ka lang ba dyan? Baka kailangan mo ng help, sabi ka lang, diba? So that's how Fem is and how everybody is.
At
With
saka,
all
may
that
just wanna
said,
add, no? Sorry. I
hmm,
just wanna add, saan ka
okay.
nakakita? Mag-weekly internet team meeting para lang magkamusta anong ginawa mo ng weekend. So,
Oo.
saan ka nakikita nun, te? So,
Anong
parang,
kinain mo ng weekend? Hindi siya
so
what are
sinabi,
your goals for the week, right?
sabi ko kay Donna nun, te, sabi ko, Donna, first time ko attend ng internal team meeting, ano handa kong report? So, yeah, anong report? Tsaka kamusta ka anong ginawa mo ng weekend? Sabi ko, ha? Totoo nga, te. Pag-attend ko,
Yeah.
how's your weekend? Oo.
Oo. Nag-share lang ang isa't isa kung anong pinanood, saan pumunta, may mga nalasing pa, charot, ganon. So, with all that said, Jam, will you recommend CBA to your friends or your family?
Mamimili
Obviously,
ako, yung mga friends na alam kong marunong magbasa at mag-follow na, uy, joke lang. Oh my
magbabasa
gosh, may
kayo.
tumatawag. Ayan. So, yun na nga. So, commercial lang po, no? Pero, of course, I will recommend Coconut VA to my qualified friends and family. Kasi, as a sourcer, ayokong masira yung numbers ko weekly, no? So, alam ko na
Correct.
sino qualified, siya lang yayayain ko, no? But I've been consistently, like, inviting my friends, my family, may mga VA friends online, ayan. Isa-isa ko na silang hinahatak at binubudol dito sa Coconut VA. So yes, at ito yung tipong hindi ako matatakot i-recommend. Ganon, yung no holding back, ganon. Kasi may ganon minsan, di ba? Ang holding back ko na lang is ako, qualified kaya to. Ganon.
Marunong kaya ito magbasa? Marunong
Mm-mm.
kaya ito mag-follow ng instructions?
Correct.
Ayun lang naman yung qualifications.
Correct.
Alright.
Yeah.
Well, that's it for me. Now I'm gonna hand it over to our awesome HR manager, Fem.
Woo! Salamat
Hello.
po, Kuya Will! Charing!
Ano ba pala?
Yes. Kayo na pa ako tahimik. Char. Kayo na pa ako, binibuild up ko
Warming
yung
up.
energy. Char.
Yes,
Yes.
binawarm up
Binibuild
niya
up ko
ako.
yung energy ko. So,
Yes.
etong part 3, you know naman na yung fast talk natin. Kasi ginawa mo yan eh. Ginawa mo yan sa amin.
Ginawa ko. Oo.
Ginawa mo yan sa amin. Ngayon,
Gumawa.
itong mga questions ko, wala kang alam. Wala kang alam.
Bakit parang kasalanan ko, Mi?
Wala kang alam dito, John. Okay. Are you ready?
I am very ready, Mi. Yes, you
Okay.
ready myself. Oo.
Okay. First, eto na. First question. Flexible schedule or fixed shift?
Bakla, flexible, of course. Hello. Split-split
Okay.
pa ako dyan. I-split myself dahil. Split. Ako kasi, ang
Next.
taong, madaming kaganapan sa
Ginagawa.
buhay. So,
Correct.
the more the flexible, the better myself. Ganon.
Diba? For the time management, napaka-busy mo pa naman. So, hindi namin alam paano mo nakakasya itong mga oras na ito.
Sa laki kunto, kasya lahat yan, Min. Oo, sa laki kunto.
Ano pa ba? Ang pagit mo na. Ang nipis mo na. Hindi na
Hindi. Pag naka-side view, manipis. Pero pag naka-front,
kita.
Baliw.
Diba?
Okay, let's go. Next question. Work from home or sa restaurant ka mag-work? Yung ano ha?
Uy, grabe siya! Ang shady! Work from home. Uy!
Work from home or ibig ko lang naman sabihin work from home or outside ko.
Or on-site, no?
Work
Minsan sa
from
restaurant tayo
Siargao.
nagwo-work.
Work from Siargao, work from everywhere. Everywhere. Ganun.
Papaka-digital nomad.
As a digital
okay.
nomad me. O, as a digital nomad
Tama.
tayo.
So, kinambine. Oo nga naman, di ba?
Oo. We combine ourselves.
Okay, third question. Ano yung preference mo? Magba-vlogging ka o yung nagti-TikTok Reels?
Ah,
For the vlog?
ang hirap naman nun, te.
Or mag-edit? Oh, ayan,
Ganto
yan.
na lang, te. Ganto na lang.
Ganda.
Magva-vlog ako, tas kukuha ko ng editor para mag-repurpose ng content ko at pumasok sa Reels and TikTok. Ganon! As a
Hindi,
content
dapat ikaw lang.
creator.
Hindi.
Oo, kaya video editors ka mo, sign up. Sir! Joke lang.
Comment down below, pero wag how. Ay,
Wag how at wag interested. Huy! Huwag gawing huy.
wag how
FB
to apply.
page. Sorry.
Nag-outsource pa din kahit sa podcast.
Huy! Grabe siya. No shade. Pero
Sa
meron.
hard work.
Huy! Joke
Ay!
lang.
Depende. Sa
Depende.
pagkakaintindi.
Pasensya na.
Depende.
Okay, so ito po talaga kami. Ganito ang ganap namin sa
Okay.
internal kahit na hindi recorded.
Correct.
Okay. Fourth question. Virtual town halls or quarterly meetups?
Wait,
Ano
of course, quarterly meetups sa Luno.
Ayan.
Love quarterly meetups. Luzon, Visayas, Mindanao, pupuntahan natin yan. Uy,
Ah.
malay mo, outside the Philippines next. Uy, charing.
Italy, Char,
Claim
Diba?
natin.
Kuya Will, baka naman. Uy, joke lang.
Eric, Tyler.
George,
Nagtawag
make it
eh.
happen.
Yes,
Don't
Donna.
manifest ourselves.
Let's
Go.
go.
Oo. How about a meetup in California or Utah? Uy! Di ba?
All paid expense.
Yes, always.
Yes. Luxury. Uy!
First class.
Ka naman.
Uy! Visa. Ganon, malay natin, di ba? Pero ano ako, regional meetups ako kami. Quarterly.
Diba?
Regional
It's more fun with the face-to-face bardagulan. Ano?
Yes.
Correct.
I believe.
Okay, last question. I love Coconut VA because
Ganda ko. Joke! I love Coconut VA because of the win-win culture. Thank you.
Perfect.
thank you. Panalo, first award goes to Jam.
Talaga ba? Hindi ko deserve.
Medal. Meron pa ako natirang medal. Bibigyan
Meron pa, dahil padala mo sa akin, Lala Move.
I believe. I best believe.
Not
Lala Move.
sponsored. Not sponsored.
Lala
Kita
Move
naman
ng
kayo. Magkapit-bahay lang naman kayo eh.
Totoo, why not? Sa
I
Sabado
believe
game.
kita tayo. Saka ko ibibigay sa'yo.
Oo, very good. Sa Sabado, let's go. Hoy!
O, diba? O, diba? Gusto niyo yon na itawid finally after ilang weeks na
Eh,
naipos
matagal namin OT.
ang recording. Yes.
Yung ano namin, yung calendar invite namin para ma-record to, nakailang buwan na dahil. Nakailang buwan na. Move. Pero
Before pa na
maraming
mag-getaway,
salamat.
no?
Oo.
Totoo, nauna pang getaway
Getaway,
bago
let's
dito. No?
Correct,
So maraming
China.
salamat Shira and Fem for, doing this for me. No, for a change naman. At least episode na si Drum, Mima. At least na tayong Coconut VA shirts and rebranded ng Coconut VA Talks. You like it, comment you like it if you like it because we like it. So magandang. Maraming salamat po sa pakikinig. Of course, Fem and She. And everyone here, kung hindi mo pa ito na-follow, i-follow mo na. Ano na, di ba? I-share, i-follow. And guys, you have our Instagram account. It's at coconutva.community. So share it sa stories, no? Tag us, and we will repost it. Maraming salamat, and I'll see you guys on the next episode. Bye!
Bye, everyone. See you.